What is going on, guys? We're just gonna press play on this recording thing. I'm gonna walk you guys through my day today. I literally just woke up, had a shower, I'm about to work out and make some videos. This is gonna be a documentation channel, self-expressive of what I'm doing in a day right now. Let's hook this up to the tripod. Let's hope the thing doesn't end though, but yeah, guys, I'm working on a thumbnail right now. Honestly, it's not the best. Reason why it's not the best is because the quality of it isn't the craziest. If I show you it right here, it's nothing really that crazy, but I'm gonna add more inclusivity to it. So the things that I want to talk about today is that I realized that I was watching this video called How to Outsmart the Game of Reality, and it's a really smart video. You know, he's talking about how here's him right here. His name's Neuro Knowledge, and I've been batting an eye to him. I've been keeping an eye on his content and everything. And it's very smart that you have to do have want or whatever it's called. When like you have to have the things ready to do the things. Like all of the goals that we have in our head are actually kind of artificial. They're artificial goals that we want to achieve, right? And what do we have to do to have them though? We have to have the actions to be able to achieve those goals, right? And the only reason we have those desires is from self-belief. You know, we've done something in the past that made us enjoyment and fulfilled. And we want to have more of that, more ambitious sides of that. That's what I believe. That's where our deepest goals come from. You know, because I have a YouTube channel where I post content on and whatever. This channel and my second channel, where I just talk about the Fortnite Maps stuff, where I'm inspiring thousands of people, you know, to make games and make a whole bunch of money. And I think it's awesome. Also, I'm trying to get back into the gym. I don't know why I ever stopped, but I'm gonna work out at home now. So nothing wrong with that. Just gotta do better exercises and learn myself and do better, you know? But this is what I wanna talk to you guys about, is that I'm on my computer right now, but I see like a lot of people in general, like, you know, me included, I guess, right? Well, we have goals and stuff, but like, you know, we don't really know how to achieve them. You know, it kind of feels like we're kind of lost a bit. And this is how I feel about that. Because I do have a sentence here that says, more aligned in God and everything will come. It already has. Because like, in my life, I always knew that money was not something that I'd always want to desire. You know, sure, I'll have money in my life, but it's not going to propel me forward. You know, maybe people may look at me differently, but I already have what I want. I'm already that person, right? I don't have to prove anything to anyone. I just have to do what I want in purpose and faith and self-belief, which is what I'm doing right now, right? Because I know millions of people will see these videos. I'm gonna make them better and better. You know, sure, I could edit on them. Sure, I could edit on these videos and maybe they'll do really well, right? But I don't think I have to do that. I feel like I can just talk to a camera, right? And that's not laziness. It's not comfort. You know, the magic you're looking for is the work you're avoiding, right? And this is the work that I'm avoiding. I don't know why I put off this channel for so long, you know? I should not live with regrets like, oh, I could have had what I wanted so long ago, right? Friend of mine, his name's Logan. He has like 10 million followers combined on his social medias, and you know, he's like, oh, I regret not starting earlier. I mean, brother, I started in 2013, and you started like 6 years after me. You know, and I still don't have your following count, but I don't care. You know, we're all grinding and we're all working hard. You know what I mean? We're all working towards stuff that we care about. And I think that's all that matters. Truly. That's really all that matters in life. In my opinion. Because like, without good goals, because I'm looking at one right now, I have this saying that this guy told me. To be honest, your mindset kind of reminds me of what I want my mind self to be. Like, I've had times where I'm motivated, but your videos, you seem like those videos of successful people before they're young, you know, before they make it. I don't know anyone who's the same drive as you. Makes me want to work hard too. It's an amazing message that I received from this guy. And that's how I made my first $8,000, literally kind of like in a single day making games, which is kind of crazy. Just flex some muscles more. But yeah, it was really, really crazy. And I hope you guys have an amazing day, bro. Seriously. We're gonna do some amazing things together. I probably should put thumbnails on this channel, because I kind of pivoted out of it. But yeah, I'll get back to it. Don't worry, guys. I will get back to the thumbnails. I will. Yeah, I feel alive, you know? I feel alive. And I'm gonna have more stuff to talk about on this channel very soon. But guys, you don't have to lose faith, bro. Like, you can really do whatever you want. I'm promising you. I'm living proof that you can do whatever you want, because even if I don't have what I have, I'm still doing what I want, right? And I have what I have. I have you guys, people watching this video. Sure, it's not a massive amount yet, but it already is, because like to get to where I want to be, like I have 1 million followers on this channel, I have to believe I already have it, and I do, you know? You shouldn't put a mental pedestal on this arbitrary goal that you crafted in your own head, because you have to believe you already have it. That's how you get motivated in the first place, to even want to do something, right? You see yourself and envision yourself in a scenario that's more beneficial than the present one, and I already have that. So I guess we're all doing great. I love you guys, man. We're all gonna do amazing things with our lives. I promise you, we are. If you believe, then you can achieve. And that's my wisdom and advice for you guys today. Don't ever lose faith, guys, okay? Don't lose faith. I'm gonna stretch this video out for another 10 seconds so it hits 6-minute mark. Next video will be 8 minutes long, I promise you. But yeah, I love you guys, man. Please, don't give up. Love y'all. Peace. Bye! 999.